Hey, what's up guys, Tech here, and today I will be showing you my favorite app of January 2018. This is called Custom Notification. This application is very useful, and if you don't have it, you definitely need to download one. The application is not in the App Store, so I will leave the link in the description so that you can download it. You can add the maximum of 36 applications, but for me 15 applications are just fine because these are the applications I usually launch. These are YouTube, Camera, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter. I mean, you can add any application you want, because the advantage of using this application is just swipe and launch. You can launch any application anywhere. Maybe you are in Twitter, you want to quickly launch your YouTube. You can just swipe the notification center and go directly to the YouTube. And maybe you want to calculate something, you are in another application, you just swipe the notification center and launch that application. I mean, this application is very cool and it's free. You can also change the settings of this application. You can change the number of items. That is the number of applications you can add on your notification center. This is for the sake of example, because I'm using a small screen, so I'm gonna be sticking with like 5 or 4, that is 15 applications or 12 applications. So anyway guys, this is the end of this video. If you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will talk to you in the next one. Peace.